What is going on, everybody? My name is Wadi The Crypto Hunter. How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone had a blessed day so far. And basically, I just want to get in to talk about the Shanghai upgrade, which is going to happen on the 12th, which eventually, some people are saying that no, it's not going to have any effect on the Ethereum, but some people are actually concerned that it's going to start dropping like crazy because the way I see it, there's gonna be a lot of people that has been holding the Ethereum since when it was about 75 to 80 bucks, and that might cause them to want to take profit. I mean, right now, currently Ethereum is at 1,908. So yeah, with that being said, the chances are that most likely people is gonna take the profit is highly. The other thing is the fact that so if it does happen, let me just share my screen real quick. Because there's two things that I'm actually expecting. Yeah, that's the screen. And let me bring up, even though you know what, it looks like Bitcoin is heading towards the 30, and it's looking pretty good right about now. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin is looking fabulous right about now, and the 1 day chart is looking even better. So basically, on April 12th, the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade is gonna happen, and they're gonna unlock millions of dollars worth in Ethereum. Seiko Hunt in the house. What's going on, Seiko? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. So if that happens, obviously people might want to take the profit, and then from there we'll see where it goes. But what I wanted to see here in the chart, it's also how Bitcoin is looking. What up, GS? Welcome, bro. Appreciate you being here. So let me draw this line real quick. All right, guys, I'm gonna look away real quick because I need to make the chart bigger. Let's say from here. Yeah, so technically speaking, Bitcoin did break out of a downtrend. So we should be seeing more upward movement. But then there's two things that's also taking place right now, which is the fact that anti-GOX repayments, reimbursement actually is also going to take place very soon. And the Shanghai upgrade, which most likely is going to cause the market to dump, well, at least Ethereum. But from what it looks, speaking technical analysis wise, Bitcoin looks pretty strong right now to continue going up. Let me see the volume. How's it going? No volume data. Great. All right. So from a technical point of view, Bitcoin is actually bullish, in my opinion. And even if you go over here to what they call the rainbow chart is also looking good. So we are in a buy zone color. And with that being said, that happened to my chart. No. Oh, okay. With that being said, we can only expect more upside movement. So we might just be able to hit the 32K area. If it doesn't touch the resistance, that's around 29,800 and reverse, then we should be seeing Bitcoin go up even higher. But right now, everything else right here is looking bullish. The RSI is still good. It's gonna be on the oversold for in a minute, but usually when I see this blue line longer than the red line, is usually a sign that Bitcoin is going to continue going up. So yeah. Now, worst case scenario, the only thing that could bring Bitcoin down right about now is a Shanghai upgrade. If people start selling off their Ethereum because they were locked for a long time and they have pretty good gains. Now, the other thing that can knock down Bitcoin right now, if the CPI report comes out negative, that's the second event. And the third event, it will be the anti-gox, but that is not happening all the way until around October, from my understanding. So, not really worry about that one. All right. So, with that being said, let's go into this news right here that sounded pretty interesting. And if you guys haven't, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Highly appreciate that. Says go back state digital currency gains traction in US as debates on digital currency persists. Several US um, states are making stride in exploring a gold-backed state digital currency, regulating Bitcoin mining, and addressing legal challenges in the cryptocurrency realm. So, amid ongoing discussion among notable U.S. politicians regarding central bank digital currency, also known as CBDC, Texas is considering a novel approach, a state level digital currency supported by gold. This pioneering idea holds the potential to greatly influence the trajectory of digital currency. Gold digital currency in Texas may be coming. Two Texas legislators recently proposed congruent bills advocating for the establishment of a state level digital currency underpinned by gold. As per the draft legislation, each unit of the digital currency would correspond to a particular portion of a troy ounce of gold kept in trust. When a specific quantity of the digital currency is purchased, the controller will use the funds obtained to buy a matching amount of gold, while neither bill has advanced or been put up for a vote. Both stipulate that the act is set to commence in September 2023. So I'm not going to go through the whole article, but that wouldn't be so much of a bad idea if they could at least start by that. Instead of doing the whole CBDC thing, or well, it is a CBDC, or should I say the Fed Now program. So, in my opinion, I think that would be a way better option than what they're trying to do now. Says, is the gold standard coming back in Texas? Legislator proposed gold backed digital currency. This may be legal. The U.S. Constitution does provide that states can coin gold. The court will have to recognize a digital gold currency as a stable coin within that. So, in my opinion, I like the idea actually, and that could open up many doors to start accepting cryptocurrency. Concurrently, a Texas Senate committee passed a bill designed to limit incentives for cryptocurrency miner operating within the state regulatory framework. This legislation aims to curtail the participation of crypto firms in a program that rewards them for elevating pressure on the Texas power grid. Additionally, beginning in September 2023, some crypto mining companies will no longer benefit from state tax reduction for their involvement in the program. Meanwhile, in California, the Department of Financial Protection and Innovation declared that Robinhood, a popular cryptocurrency and stock trading platform, is expected to pay over 10 million in penalty for operational and technical failure that negatively affect the everyday investor. The settlement comes after a thorough investigation led by the North American Security Administrator Association, along with security regulator from 7 states. Elizabeth Warren can eat a dog Turgo, Texas. Let's go. Um, the major cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is supporting a fresh legal initiative to overrun the U.S. Department of the Treasury decision to impose sanction on crypto mixer Tornado Cash. A group of 6 individuals backed by Coinbase launched the lawsuit requesting the U.S. Office of Foreign Asset Control, OFAC, address the first 2 counts from the initial compliant file in September 2022. What's going on, Ray Ultimate in the house? Thank you so much for the $5 donation, bro. God bless you, man. Crypto Realist in the house. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. And Anti Rock, welcome, guys. Appreciate you guys being here. So, in a separate development, Arkansas Congress passed legislation aiming to regulate Bitcoin mining operation. The bill, pending the governor's approval, would ensure that crypto miners receive the same treatment as data center, prohibiting the government from enforcing unique requirement on digital asset mining enterprise. The development echo a recent effort in Montana where the Senate endorsed a bill to protect crypto miners in late March. Was so basically I do gotta ask one question, because let's say, for example, crypto miners are protected. That's great. I agree with it. I mean, I always had a problem with the fact that if you didn't invest any money into the investment, I don't find it fair that we got to pay capital gain taxes, especially the fact that they were saying that Bitcoin is has no real value. So if you're saying Bitcoin doesn't have any real value, then why the heck are you taxing people for owning Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency? That's my number one point. And as far as mining, man, I tried that once and I had to stop because obviously, one, it consumes a lot of electricity, and two, because the the system literally overheats big time. So you have to have either a real nice cooler or a water cooler actually to keep your system cool, because if not, your computer is gonna overheat, and you gotta leave it on 24/7. So it's not as attractive as people think. So with that being said, this right here, go back state digital currency, wouldn't be bad at all as far as being a stable coin. And hopefully that will open many doors to what is crypto and everything else. Um, as far as the other news that I was gonna read was right here: the Ethereum Chapella upgrade close in. Ethereum price set to bleed. Chapella fork will enable Ethereum stake to be withdrawn by validators. This will allow 34 billion worth of lock ETH to enter the market. So, yeah, sorry, I got confused earlier. I thought they was still talking about the Shanghai upgrade. So, with this upgrade, it's just gonna make it worse for, well, not make it worse, because if they decide, well, I just want to hold on to my Ethereum. I mean, I've been holding on for years, so might as well wait until it hit 10,000 or more. Then great. But realistically speaking, if I was in their shoes, I would think, what would I do? What I would do is, if I have gains and I have bills to pay, then I'm solving my bills problem. Which you don't know how many of these investors got themselves caught up into something. So that's why I said, be careful with the market, because we don't know what's going to happen within the next couple of days. You can say a week or two. And basically, it wouldn't surprise me either that if Bitcoin start going up, they do something to make it dump. That wouldn't surprise me, because if you guys notice, that's the play that they have been doing for the longest. So it says the Ethereum network is set to witness a much anticipated technical upgrade on April 12th. The new development will allow the ETH holder user to withdraw their billion worth of Ethereum. However, on-chain data show that there is a decline in the deposit trend by the staking provider over the past week. It raises a crucial question here. How do ETH holder action will impact the Ethereum price ahead? It says the cryptocurrency market is in a recovery phase for now. However, it is expected that the trader affected by the recent market downtrend might seize the opportunity to withdraw their stake token into the block. Reported that the Chapella fork will enable Ethereum stake to be withdrawn by validator. This will allow 34 billion worth of locked ETH to enter the market. It mentioned that withdrawal of stake ETH we'll see a delay to be processed in order to mitigate an exodus and worse security of Ethereum. So, okay, so from what that's saying right there is that they're working on not releasing everything at once, but I don't know how that's gonna work because then it feels like you're holding my money hostage, which will cause even a bigger problem. So just by reading this article, like I said, guys, just be careful. If you're not sure what's gonna happen, the best strategy is just to stay on the sidelines, and that's it, and wait and see. If it does happen, then if it dumps, then that's an opportunity for everyone to bite the dip. And if it goes up, well, yeah, it will kind of suck that you miss some game, but just remember that what goes up sooner or later must come down, which eventually the market is gonna go back down again. So just because you see green candles, it does not mean it's gonna stay up there the whole time. Trying to see at the 4 hour candle. Yeah, and actually Bitcoin still has a pretty nice uptrend firm right here. This is a whole lot of volume, even though it's not showing up right here. So I'm expecting at least 30, 32, 31 max. And heck yeah, even on the monthly, it broke the trend. As much as I was saying, and I'm expecting a 12K Bitcoin, the more I look at the chart, the more I find it a little bit impossible for it to actually happen. There's a good support right there. And that support is actually price balloon, price balloon. Yeah, it got a good support around 20,000. So, and the next support will be at 12, which that's the one that I was actually expecting right around here. But it doesn't look like it's gonna go down there anymore. And the reason why I'm saying this is because even the MACD right here, if the MACD right here crosses, that means we're gonna have a bullish momentum, which means Bitcoin is going to start going up, especially with the strength, depending on how much strength is there too. So, with that being said, guys, let me talk about my sponsorship, which is Metropolitans, MMAI, and TRL token. So, let's start with TRL. TRL token is actually on the BNB side. And ever since it launched, I'm actually impressed because it keeps on going up in a way like Superman. This is basically the chart. You know, I haven't seen, well, maybe it does a little bit of a drop right here and then it picks up again. So every time it drops one little bit, it picks up again. So Obviously, none of it is financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before investing. But in my opinion, this is one of the best looking tokens out there so far. Hey, what's going on, Steve, the Canadian in the house? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. So, if you go to their webpage, you're gonna notice that they are fully docs, fully transparent. You got the marketing wallet, you have the deployer wallet, and a couple of other wallets right here. And there's also going to be some utility and development. The buy is going to be 6%. The sell is going to be 8%. And they're going to have some NFTs. They are, their staking, I believe, goes by Brew Labs. Here are all the wallets in case you have any questions or concern. There's a 100 billion token on a wallet, um, marketing wallet, development wallet, liquidity wallet, distribution wallet. So you guys will be able to track every single move that they do if you want to, obviously. So just make sure you check out their Twitter and do your own research. And if you feel like this is right for you, then that's the way to make money. All right. The other one I was going to talk about is Metapolitans, which the metaverse beta is about to be released pretty soon. And I'm gonna come out with a video on it on Wednesday. They also has a nice Medium article if you guys want to read more into it. It's a play to mint metaverse. It has token called maps. It's gonna have staking if you're into staking. Right now they got a $50 ETH giveaway for just retweeting and joining the Telegram. They got Bleeps in there. They got Two Bit. They got myself, Adam Shelton. This is more or less the progress. Awesome Austin just jumped on board. And a couple of other YouTubers. We're going to be talking about Metropolitans. Obviously, paid promotion. So make sure you guys do your own research. And this is what they got going on. So if you want more information, just go to their Twitter at Metropolitans underscore IO, which is right here. And you could go through the website and find out more. The last but not least is MetaMonkey AI, which everyone is excited because April 28th, we're going to see our properties. Gucci boy in the house. What's going on, bro? Welcome, welcome. When does the Metropolitan Pink Sale go live? I believe it's gonna be in 20 to 19 days. Let me go back real quick. But I believe that that is what I was told. Pum, 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 pum. It's funny because there you go. I was gonna say when you're not looking for something, it appears right there. But when you're looking for it, it takes its sweet time to appear. Uh, yep, 20 days. So basically, let's say 21 days, it will start going live. Can you tell us that link in the chat? Oh yeah, for sure, bro. Hold on. Oh, come on. Okay, so my computer is acting weird with me. All right, so there. Now, CTRL C, that's a copy. And now let me go CTRL V. Yeah, you also get to learn computer shortcuts with Wadi, okay, people? There you go, guys. So, Metropolitan is that. And let's go to MMAI. No problem, bro. Ta, 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 ta. So MMAI is going to reveal the NFT on the 28th, which is very exciting. Obviously, everyone is waiting for that. I actually made a video on it. If you haven't seen it, check it out. This is the event that happened in Texas, actually, where Augustine was the speaker. There goes Augustine, looking like a pimp. Don't tell him I said that though. GS, great bet and algo video you put out there, Wally. Oh, thank you, GS, and thank you for the $5 donation, bro. I appreciate that. So yeah, I mean that's another thing that I want to talk about. If you guys are loving those videos, I'm actually gonna keep on putting out more. Let me know what coin you want me to put out there. I'll do the research, get it together, and then I'll let the AI do the rest of the work. So let me know what project you guys want to hear about, what project you guys are curious about, and I'll get to work. I'm trying to put as many video out there as possible, and hopefully YouTube would unbury me and I'll start getting more exposure. Like there was the MMAI video I did, which is talking about the properties. Here you go. And it says NFT marketplace update. Owner of the key to the city NFT will be able to retrieve their exclusive property on April 28th, 2023. You will then be able to log into MMAI marketplace using your wallet to retrieve the property. NFT holder will get to see what type of property they have. More details coming soon. So I am extremely excited because of it, because I want to see what is it that I got. But if I get the arena, oh my God, literally, oh my God. Even though there's a slight chance, but it will be awesome. Um, for those that don't know about MMAI and what they're doing, they got the MMAI games, which so far I have beta tested it. They got the MMAI Pure World, which is a metaverse, and they have the MMAI Pure Wallet, which is going to be a three wallet in one, online, offline, and a cold storage, which is going to be beyond sick, in my opinion. They also have the MMAI token. They're working. These are the properties we're talking about. And they're also working on the MMAI blockchain, which is called Pure Chain. And it's going to be proof of authority. So far, it's looking good. Have you heard about RankQ? Yes, I have, bro. And I'm not going to lie. I was debating whether I should get on the pre-sale or not because I have gotten my booty whoop when it comes to pre-sales. So that's why I haven't jumped into any ever since the whole Luna 1 pre-sale, bro. I stopped jumping into pre-sales. But here it is. You're talking about this one, Ray, right? I've been peeping them, and it looks good. I'm not gonna lie, it caused my attention a lot. They did raise 7.3 million. So yeah, the only thing is that, like I said, man, I've been getting my butt whooped so many times when it comes to pre-sale. I've been really debating, like, should I not? Should I not? Coochie Boy says deep dive into Anchor. Actually, Anchor is a great project, and I'll definitely do that one for sure. Next. And then I'm gonna go old school. I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. So yeah, I don't invest in tokens that do pre-sales, at least not yet. Yeah, so pre-sale they could be a trip, man, because I'm not saying that this is the case, but my pre-sale experience hasn't been that great. I did really good with one pre-sale, and that was INX token, which is from INX Digital. I spoke about INX when I first started my channel, which right now they're in the beginning they were just private, you know, digital currency in a sense is approved by security. But long story short, right now they listed on CoinGecko. CoinMarketCap is coming soon, and they're gonna start listing it in exchanges. So that is one of the projects that I am really looking into a lot. And when I bought the pre-sale, it was at 90 cents. It went like $3 and something. And I cashed out. I didn't stay long to just watch my token grow. But good thing I didn't because it actually dropped. And now I could have buy like three times what I had before, which is 38 cents right now. Luna 1 burned today 1 billion token. Interesting. I mean, ever since I did the video with Luna One, the what happened, that was the last time I kept track of it. I was so freaking disappointed, man, because they lie. That's the honest truth. They told all the investors that they was gonna launch if you buy at 10 cents, 15 cents, they was gonna launch it around 25 cents. So if you did the math, 25 cents, and the people start buying more, it was at least what I was expecting as a gain if it would have happened. It was around 15K, which instead I ended up losing. So that's why I never got into pre-sales ever since. But you see, this thing right here is fully docs, and what they bring to the table, it is interesting. Um, it's community driven organization that established to provide one-stop solution for the traders to use cryptocurrency in decentralized manner. So, like I said, I'm not gonna do a full token review unless the community comes over here or something. Um, so yeah, I definitely did hear about it, right? Another pre-sale that messed me up badly, it was MetaCloud. MetaCloud, man, that was even worse than Luna One pre-sale because MetaCloud didn't even launch. So, but yeah, guys, if you like those AI educational videos that I'm providing, then yeah, I'm gonna keep on doing more, and I'm gonna keep on putting them out there because so far the ones that I have brought out, those are tokens that I believe in, that I know that they're gonna do very well in the future. Actually, let me go here, videos. So Stellar, Algorand, B Chain, XRP, obviously. Anchor is gonna be next. From Anchor, I'm also going to throw in there ACH, which is Alchemy Pay. So I got a long list of good tokens that I know they could do excellent with the next bull market. Tim Shea in the house, the mayor of crypto. Welcome, welcome, Tim Shea. Appreciate you being here, bro. So let me see. And guys, if you have any like ideas or suggestion on like I don't know if you feel like how I could make the channel better. I mean, I did try the whole gaming thing, but for some reason when I tried the gaming thing, I had to connect it to my YouTube account, and then afterwards it said that somebody tried to hack my account. So I had a security breach. Thank God that I use authenticators on everything. And that's why nothing major happened. But if you guys have any suggestion, anything that you guys feel I should change or I could do better, whatever it is, feel free to DM me and we'll get it from there. GSL, yeah, the XOM, XRP1, 2. Thank you, GS. So XRP is making move, and so is XOM. And from what I saw right here in the chart, XOM actually is due for a run up. Big Dave Crypto in the house. What's going on, Big Dave? How you doing, bro? Um, X O M. Now that's something new. Check out XX Wadi. I know, is that supposed to be like a rated R version of me, Tim? That I don't know about? Uh no, that one I never heard about. Ray Collateral Network. I'll look into that. Okay, United Stellar, Bybit, Binance. Boom, Binance. So according to the 1 weekly chart, if the market keeps going up, Stellar actually should continue running up too. Now, I know it's a great project. It used the QFS like Quan. Okay, I'll look it up. So if you look at a Stellar, you go from the highest right here. Uh yeah, well, let's say this one it broke, but then it went continuing down. So I'm gonna move it towards here. If we break up towards the upside from there, then I think there is a chance for Stellar. And this is another thing that you guys got to look at. So right here, this is the consolidation area for or accumulation area for Stellar, because you also see it right here, and then it did the whole run up to around 78 cents. So right about now at 10 cents, you're getting like a 60 cents discount. Tim, you said the magic word. Now, you know what? There's a project that I could do a AI video on, which is Quant. Not so many people know what exactly is Quant, and some haven't even heard of it. So I could do one on quants. I could do one on XDC, right? Most likely, yeah. Big Dave said, I think I bought Stellar originally at 4 cents. Yeah, Big Dave. So funny story, man. I had Stellar and I had 50,000 of it when it was around 2 cents. The only thing is that I got involved in this BS pyramid scheme where I turned everything I had and bought their crappy token, which was called Mindex Coin, and I lost everything there. So when I started this channel. I also started it with that purpose. So I will be able to help people invest in the right stuff instead of investing in whack ass platform promising you 200% gain over 2 months, because that's all garbage and is a lie. Luna One minting NFT, it will be free for you because you put a lot of money into it. Bro, I'll try it, but I don't even remember my Luna One account. And Lupin at 13 cents. Nice. I love a good. Nah, Dave, I hate it, bro. Like, this is one thing that some people don't get. Like, when you're looking for financial freedom, or when you think that you find something that's gonna help you out financially, you jump into the wrong stuff. And the minute you jump into the wrong things, guess what? You crash and burn. So it back then, because when I started that, my daughter was only about 4 years old, and I was just looking for a way that I can provide for my family. Obviously, it couldn't physically work, so yeah. The door. If you're in crypto, you love a good. No, Dave. No, bro. No. Even though, yeah, there are some tokens that are actually the total opposite. That feels like a scheme, pyramid scheme at least. But nah, that's just, like, I've been through a lot in the cryptocurrency space. I've been rug. I had a couple of tokens. I had Moon. I had Kuma Inu. I had freaking Akira Inu, Mewtwo Inu. That was the funniest one because only me. Why would I invest in a token named after a Pokemon? But I thought it was fun. It was gaining traction, and I invested in it, and I got wrecked. Pegalo Inu, uh, Goku Inu. I'm surprised they didn't come out with Naruto Inu. I probably would have invested in it too. I grew up watching all that. So yeah, guys. You love Pokemon? Yeah, that's dude. I used to wake up every morning as a kid before I went to school, 7 a.m. Eastern, just to watch Pokemon. And yes, at 4 p.m. Eastern to watch Dragon Ball Z. So it was like in the morning, I would watch Pokemon. I would watch Pokemon, Creepy Crawlers, and The Mummy is Alive. And in the afternoon, I watch Dragon Ball Z, Rurouni Kenshin, and the Thundercats. That was my thing. So, okay, with Stellar, like I said, if it breaks this point, then we're gonna see a nice run up, but also be careful because there is a moving average right there, which might knock it back down. But the moving average is now all the way onto around 15 cents. I don't see maybe right here 12 cents a resistance, and maybe around 14 is the next resistance. So other than that, it should be free to go up. Me too. Yeah, man, that was the stuff, literally. And it's funny because I was looking at the cartoons that they have today comparing to what they had back then, and I feel like back then it made way more sense. Today it's like no, 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 no. Curtis K, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. He says, "Where's the 100 to 1,000x at?" Well, I don't know, man. Anything in crypto will probably give you that. Um, and by the way, guys, I know I said that earlier, but if you haven't, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't, turn on the notification so when I come on live stream again. And it sucks that YouTube doesn't allow you to play music because my stream would have been like DJ and crypto. I would have been blasting the radio, playing some fun music, and studying charts and talking about crypto news, obviously. Du- 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 du. So let me see where's MMAI at. We're pretty much back at buying price. It's still holding up on the support line that I have. And boom. And then the next one is right here. So we touched 29. That's actually obviously not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I would do. That would be in my buy zone right there. Tim Shea says, when is the next poker tournament? Oh, poker. Yeah, Tim. I believe for me, well, let me not say that on stream. But the poker tournament is gonna be on the 29th. Yep, that right there is 100% true, Big Dave. There are many projects in the building phase that we'll see. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I was actually talking to Clint today, and we're working on that. And with that, I guess I'll try to see if I'll probably get more poker tournaments going on, but it's gonna be kind of hard. But I'll see. I'll see what I could do. All right, guys. So with that being said, I am going to hit the hour here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hold on, Son of Life meditation, hey, bro. You like XRP? Hey, what's going on, man? For sure. I actually was just talking about XRP and XOM. Stop by to check out the 30 and 15 minutes, the crypto future. I okay. So Well, welcome sounds. Unfortunately, you're coming at the end of my show, but you're more than welcome here, man. And check out some of the XRP video that I already have made. And if you haven't, like and subscribe. You want to join the Watt Squad community? It's only $2 a month. And with that being said, have a blessed one, everyone. Yeah, that's okay. Cool, cool. I'll catch you on the next one, brother. For sure, for sure. All right. Have a good one, everyone. Let me get my intro. There you go. My outro, actually.